App development with Microsoft Power Apps. No coding. Microsoft Power Apps is a cloud platform. It lets users create custom apps for many purposes. These range from simple business apps to complex enterprise solutions. Power Apps has a user-friendly interface and a drag-and-drop tool, creating customized apps with ease. One of the key features of Microsoft Power Apps is its ability to create customized apps tailored to your specific business needs. Power Apps has the tools to bring your ideas to life. Use it to automate workflows, integrate data, or build complex apps. Streamlining workflow automation. You can streamline processes and improve efficiency. Use Power Apps workflow automation. With built-in automation tools, you can automate routine tasks. You can also integrate data and improve team collaboration by designing workflows. Empowering innovation with enterprise apps. Microsoft Power Apps helps businesses innovate. It lets them create custom apps to drive digital transformation. Power Apps supports innovation and collaboration in your organization. It has features for web apps and online tools. Harnessing the power of data-driven AI integration. Power Apps, with its AI and data analytics tools, helps businesses. It enables data-driven decisions and optimizes processes. You can enhance business processes and customer experiences by adding AI to your custom solutions. It will also drive innovation. Conclusion. In conclusion, Microsoft Power Apps is a powerful tool. It can develop apps, integrate data, and automate tasks. It lets businesses easily create custom applications.